Cybersecurity should be a priority of anyone who works with a computer, an electronic device, or another digital system. These systems are an integral part of most organizations, and there are many threats which can put their integrity at risk. These threats can result in the loss or compromising of valuable confidential information, interruptions or damage to operations, and significant financial loss. One of the best ways to defend against digital threats like computer viruses, software bugs, data loss, and privacy breaches is through the regular practice of digital hygiene. Digital hygiene is about learning habits and practices to keep your systems and information secure. Examples of digital hygiene include keeping the operating system up to date, regularly updating software, using antivirus software, cleaning devices of unnecessary sensitive information, abiding by a clean desk policy, and following password security protocols. Practicing digital hygiene is not only good for the organization you work in, but also for you as an individual, as personal data such as a phone number, home address, or income details may end up on a work computer or device.